Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 ways to extend the life of your roof without breaking the budget. Let's get right into it. So number 1 is focus on the small repairs. So if you look here on this roof, we had a lot of issues. They're focusing on making repairs as the crew has gone through. We're doing that now. Other things that we're looking for that might have issues are like at our penetrations, our pitch pans here, at our flashing areas, like we see up top here, the parapet cap, our fasteners, looking at areas like that, our flashings down here at the part of the section of the parapet where we have roofing materials that are tying into a metal flashing detail, making sure that all of that is sound and tight, and just going through and also looking at our drains, making sure that those are tight, the waterways are clear, and that these are functioning properly. Number 2 would be prioritizing preventative maintenance. And here we want to have a clear understanding that our drains are working properly, that our waterways are working, that the roof system is functioning as it should. So making sure that, and maintenance will make sure that we're able to do that. Number 3 is consider using some sort of roof maintenance coat. And that could be an acrylic, it could be a silicone that will help you extend the life of the roof in certain areas. You might not be able to do the whole roof, but you could do sections, and that will help you get a little more mileage out of your roof. And then number 4 is exploring financial incentives. So a lot of contractors sometimes will offer an opportunity for you to finance your repairs, and you can pay that over time, so it allows you to have a little more flexibility. And then number 5 is knowing when to just replace the roof. Sometimes there's at a point, there's just too much water damage, there's too much moisture on the roof, there's a lot of repairs, and it doesn't make sense to continue to patch. It just makes sense to start over. Okay, so those are the 5 things that you can do, 5 ways to extend the life of your roof without blowing up the budget.